of Crafting with the Crankers.
Today we are going to be making an ice cream cone bird feeder.
So we need
obviously an ice cream cone, peanut butter, and some bird seeds, and some string, and some scissors to cut the string.
And a needle to put your string through the ice cream cone. So Lila's going to go ahead and do step 1, which is adding peanut butter only around this ring of the cone.
Got some peanut butter.
And the peanut butter, you're using the peanut butter because it's going to act like the glue. You don't actually want to glue the bird seed, so the peanut butter is going to make it stick on there.
But it will taste yummy for the birds. Because on the end is going to have some. And then we have a little plate of bird seeds here. So that's what we're going to be doing. It might get off of it, but that's okay because it's just going to roll on the bird seed. It's okay. The bird seeds. I'm rolling it in the bird seeds.
So you do want to make sure you have enough all the way around. You don't want it too thin because you want the bird seed to be able to stick in it. So you kind of want it a little bit thick.
If you don't have any bird seeds, you can buy some. And make sure to put it up high, up high in a tree, or if you have any hooks somewhere on your deck, maybe somewhere.
Because your dogs will smell the bird seed. If you have dogs, then they'll think it's for them.
Yeah, our dog Diesel, he likes sunflower seeds. Yeah, the bird sunflower seeds.
And Lexa just gave him a piece of corn out of the bird seed too.
He likes corn. He just likes bird seed. He's a bird. One time on a Valentine's Day,
all right, let me.
It's a little thin right here. One time on Valentine's Day, Polina, she gave me bird seeds, and then it fell off shaped as a heart, and my dog ate my bird seeds because it fell off the tree.
Welcome to crafting and story time.
Story time while you're rubbing peanut butter on a cone. I would eat the cone with peanut butter. Okay, so there it is. So I think I missed a little spot. So make sure it's nice and thick. So if you see the cone, that means you got to put some more in.
That's when Mama comes in and does a little touch up. And then Lexa's going to go ahead and roll it in our seed for us.
I thought you were going to say, now Lex is going to tell another story.
Okay, Alexa, go ahead and roll it. Remember, cones are fragile, so you need to, don't be squishing it too hard. You got to be a little bit gentle.
If it doesn't work a little, you might just have to sprinkle some on.
Or do different angles.
Yeah. Like you can swap it like so. Can you stop, please? Just do it the other way so it will. See, just sometimes you do the whole peanut. No, stop.
Alright.
Think that's enough.
So I'm going to hold the plate over so it doesn't fall off. But now you can see we have bird seed around the edge, and the birds can come enjoy your cone. And I'm going to do the last step, which is going to be taking the needle, and you're just going to poke it right through one side and out the other.
So it's like sewing a cone. Come on, little bit. Oh, wrong one. We're all gonna die.
All right, so Lila's going to assist and pull that needle off. My string.
Pull it off.
Yep, pull that needle right off the string. So my string's a little long, but it's like that. I'm going to tie a little knot.
Stop, Lexa.
Mine was a little long.
And Max is trying to
So there we go. Super simple. The birds will love it. Easy for the kids to do at home. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Crafting with the Crankers.
Bye.
See you next time.